Coming up, how some simple tubing is helping make today's homes greener than ever. That's coming up on Blueprint for Green. Welcome back to Blueprint for Green. I'm holding what's known as PEX tubing. You've seen it installed in our couple's green and healthy home. It's used in heating systems and sprinkler systems. Now, this tubing is known for its green qualities, much like the company where it's made.
We live what we're trying to say that we sell in our product.
Over the past few years, sustainability has become the mantra here at Uponor. Headquartered in Apple Valley, Minnesota, the company spins out thousands of feet of PEX tubing a day. PEX is a flexible, durable, and non-toxic material used both residentially and commercially in plumbing, radiant heat, and fire sprinkler systems. PEX is made to last, so it's no wonder that Uponor includes sustainable practices into its manufacturing.
For Uponor, we made the decision a few years ago that we really needed to start to walk the walk when it comes to sustainability.
The process to make PEX tubing starts here in the mixing room, where raw materials are combined and then sent to the extruders.
At the extruder block, we apply tremendous heat and pressure in order to make what is about a powder consistency and turn it into a gravy, not quite smooth, not quite a powder.
When it comes to heat, Uponor has drastically reduced the amount of oil it uses, turning mostly to electric heat.
We've been able to lessen our demand for oil in the plant. We've been able to go to a more efficient form of energy in the electricity and be able to actually do our process with less energy than ever before.
What oil the company does use is all recycled through a permit with the Environmental Protection Agency. Now that the tubing is fitted and wound onto giant reels, it's off to the conditioning and coating line. Some of the tubing stays white and some is color-coded, such as this piping. It's blue because it's designed for cold water. Speaking of water, after the coated tubing comes out of a 400-degree heater, it's cooled off in a recirculated pool of water. Now it's off to packaging.
This area here is what we kindly refer to as organized chaos.
The reels of PEX tubing are put into an automatic coiler where it's cut into specific length.
That automatic coiler is going to take the pipe, spin it into 100 foot, 300 foot, 500 foot, whatever length that the customer is looking for. The operator will put it in a box, strap it, wrap it, like we're seeing happening here. All of the boxes that we use are basically only used that day. We don't bring in any more than we need. We don't throw a lot away.
And when it comes to all of the PEX leftovers, Uponor doesn't throw any of those scraps away. Instead, they all end up here at the shredder.
Everything goes into other products such as landscape timbers, asphalt as a filler, concrete as a filler in small amounts. Even we've found out it goes into other pipe products as a filler.
It's a 24/7 operation at the Uponor plant. 170 manufacturer employees work to produce as much as 1.8 million feet of PEX tubing a day. Even with that demand, the Uponor team stays committed to sustainability.
And to really start to look at how can you be efficient and effective but yet have an environmental conscience is something that we're building daily into the Uponor way of doing business. By the time we really can say that we've done that, this plant will be, hopefully one of the greenest plants in all of Minnesota, if not the Midwest, if not the United States.